Floods are one of the most powerful and destructive natural disasters on the planet. Across continents, we are witnessing entire cities submerged. Bridges swept away, and lives turned upside down. From Asia's deadly monsoon rains to Europe's overflowing rivers and America's sudden flash floods,
This is the current condition at my house.
no region is truly safe. These floods don't just destroy buildings. They wipe out communities, take lives, and leave behind a trail of chaos and heartbreak. As climate change accelerates, rising sea levels and extreme weather events are making floods more frequent and intense than ever before. The terrifying force of water reminds us how fragile our world is.